Guys, welcome back to my channel, Technical Bro. So today we're gonna see how to set the ringtone of our Mi 9i phone. So first we should open settings, go down and open sound and vibration. Then we can find the ringtone. Then we should have a choice of these, or else if you don't like these, we can even off the internet. Go back to the home screen by closing the tabs. Again open settings. We can even open settings from the normal settings app. Okay, no problem. So let's go to ringtone once more. We can have the Mi electronic, Mi remix, or Mi jazz. We can even go to the all ringtones and go to the online ringtones. We can even find these online ringtones, or if you don't like those, we can go to the local and then to the ringtones we have recorded. So again, I have two ringtones, in which one of them is good. So hear this one. So friends, now we can go back. Actually, this is over, but we can even set the call and reminders, alarm volume, and music and games media. That's it then. Bye.